May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in. Please be seated.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. What's your full name?
This is Ariful Islam, but my friends and family members love to call me Ariful because this is my nickname. If you feel free and comfortable, you can call me Ariful, and I'm quite familiar with this name. Thank you for your asking.
Welcome. Do you like your name?
Definitely, sir, because it has a beautiful meaning. I think it means wisdom.
Is your name important to you?
Yes, of course. Because it's my identity, and this name represents me to the world, to the country, and to the society. That's why I like my name, and it is important to me.
Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, sir. Please take it.
Take it.
Okay, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Barishal, but currently I'm living in Manikganj because my father is a government officer and he works in Manikganj. That's why I stay in Manikganj.
Do you work or study?
Actually, I'm a student, sir.
What do you study?
I study English.
Where do you study?
I study English at Kids English Club Manikganj. I think it's a very good institution in Manikganj.
Thank you so much for nice presentation.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
Take care, sir.
Take care.